Oh, okay. I'm here with Simamkele, the special star Tutsheni. Am I pronouncing the surname correctly?
Yeah, it's correct. Tutsheni.
Okay. I'm Sinetemba. I'm interviewing you on behalf of Fighting Out of the Blue Corner podcast. So I want to know, how did you start boxing?
Oh, firstly, I started boxing. I'm a rugby player, né? So I started boxing since I've always loved contact sport. So I told myself that I also want to try this because I'm into contact sport, and then that's how I started boxing. And then so far, it's still so good.
You're doing well. So in which year did you start?
I started in 2021.
You're also a COVID baby, okay?
Yeah.
So if you were to be introduced to MMA, would you join MMA?
Yeah.
Mixed martial arts? Okay.
I would definitely join MMA because I
Anything
love
that's
the contact sports.
Okay. How many fights do you have, and how many wins and how many losses? I see you don't have draws.
Yeah, I have 4 fights. Won 2 with the knockout, and then other 2 with the points, which is they are all wins.
So you are 4-0. Okay, with 2 knockouts. So I hear that you are the current Western Cape champion. Tell me, how do you feel about being the champion?
Yeah, I feel good. I feel like I'm one step closer to what I've always wanted to achieve, because I've always wanted to be a champion.
Okay.
Since I started boxing, yeah, I'm still new with boxing, but everyone wants to be a champion, and I'm also wanting to be a champion. So I'm one step closer to what I've always wanted.
Okay, just to correct myself, you are the first ever female champion in the Western Cape. You are not just a champion. So you've made history. Who else in your family has made history like you?
I'm the first person to make history at home.
Okay. So in the future, what do you want to achieve in your boxing?
I want to do more than what I did just now, like having more belts, and also encouraging the youth to also join e-sport, not just boxing, but to join e-sport and be active, not to do the wrong things.
Is there any boxer that you look up to, or any boxer that you want to fight one day?
Firstly, I look up to Clarissa Shields.
Wow, the GOAT.
The GOAT.
The greatest
the greatest woman of all time.
Okay.
I look up to her. Yeah, she's doing wonders, because she got 13 fights and also got I think 5 belts. She's also a MMA. She's also doing the MMA, so I look up to her. Yeah, she's doing good. It would be great to just be on the same stage as her.
Anyone you want to fight?
In
South Africa?
In South Africa, for now, it is Batabi.
Batabi Ziko.
Yes.
Okay. That's all I wanted to know for now. Thank you so much, and all the best for your future.
Okay, thank you.
Anyone you want to thank inside the boxing circles?
Well, firstly, I would like to thank my coaches, all those coaches who molded me when I was still new and didn't know about boxing. I'd like to thank them, and also my coaches who are currently training me now. I want to thank them, and also the promoters who made me fight in their promotions, and also other people who also contributed into what I am right now.
Okay,